Damn, you can see everything. Hey guys, my name is Meli. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, which is my first video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a plum kind of autumn / fall inspired look. Just something simple and easy to start, just to start off really. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so I just went ahead and filled in my brows off camera because I couldn't be bothered. So now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape to carve out my brows. I'm going to carve out those brows. So I've just gone and put a dollop on my hand, and yeah, so now I'm using this flat concealer brush because I feel like that's what works best for me to carve out my brows. I'm just going to slowly do that. Then yeah, I like to kind of buff that out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that with my fingers just now because I've dragged it down. So that's the bottom carved out. And then with what's ever left over on my hand, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the top, kind of like facing the brush like front on, so you don't get the concealer on the hairs. And just blending it out. My eyebrows are literally so uneven, like naturally. Like just like here it's so square and this is just so, I don't know, like there's missing hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put concealer all over my lid. I'm just gonna blend it out with this beauty sponge. It's not a beauty blender, it's a sponge. Because all those people out there will crack it if I say beauty blender because it's not a beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my eyes a little bit with translucent powder. I'm just using the Mercier. Alrighty. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Nars Wanted palette. It's actually so pretty. My lip, as you can see, I pretty dug into it. So I'm going to use this, like, it's like how do you even describe that colour? It's not plum, it's more like, it's kind of maroony, but it's got like a sheen to it. You can't really see it once it's on, but yeah, it does have a bit of a sheen to it. So yeah, I'm just going to do like a little washout, maybe glitter on the inner corner using one of these shades or something. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to start by applying it on my lid. Holy. Look at a raccoon. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my Morphe Y16 brush. I actually got this brush. I'm going to start with my windshield wiper motions. I'm going to change to the Y16. Oh, that fall out. So we're going to do circular motions as well as the windshield wiper motions. Just right in the inner corner, I really want to blend it out. Just so you don't get any of those stupid harsh lines that I hate. Always try to grab the ends of your brush. It's just a lot easier and it comes out way nicer when you hold it by the ends of the brush. And you want to try to be really gentle when blending out. I know this is a really simple look today guys, but I just want to see how this goes. I want to just try out how I'd go filming whilst talking, just getting used to this whole vibe because I love it. I literally love watching YouTube and I love making videos. Like I have my own Instagram page. Mostly just, yeah, it's just like mini tutorials where I film on other people, but the times I've filmed myself previously, I don't have them up anymore. I've only got my recent video up. But when I did, I just love it. Like it's so much fun. Yeah, I'm just blending. I just changed back to the Y16 brush. Look at that eye. I think that looks quite nice. I'm just going to use this brush that I used to apply the translucent powder and really just buff this this out and blend that out because I hate when it's really not blended here. Oh, this looks ridiculous. Please blend out. I'll cry if it doesn't. Now I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I have the shade Butter Pecan. I don't actually know if that's how you say it. Butter Pecan? Butter Pecan? Butter Pecan? Wow! Nearly forgot to prime. Yeah, typical me. It wouldn't surprise me the amount of times I've done that. So I'm just going to go in with the Smashbox PhotoFinish Primer, the pore minimizing one. I love this. I love anything. I love primers that are silicone-y and velvety when you like apply them. I just feel like they work the best on my skin. Alright, so now we're going in with a foundation. So yeah, I like to put a lot. I like to cover the whole shebang. I should just do like this. I should take it on my ears so they look yellow too. If I don't want that like line, and you kind of just want like the eyeshadow to blend in, like go in with a blending brush. Alright, so now we're going back in with Tarte Shape Tape. So I accidentally did get a shade too light for me, for when I'm tanned, not for when I'm not tanned. So what I do is I go back in with the used beauty blender, beauty sponge, so then it kind of just evens out the colour. See, that is way too light. I kind of like to keep the triangle on my forehead small, just so it makes my forehead look a bit smaller, and then I bronze anyway. Ow. Now I'm going to blend it in. I love blending, honestly. I could blend anything for like days on end. Kind of try not to blend the nose concealer out too much, so then it gives you that like really small nose effect. Just keeping that in the same spot, don't want to bring it up too high. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Mercier powder and bake the shit under my eyes. I accidentally made that beauty sponge a bit too damp, so I'm just using this one now. So just the spots I've highlighted, I'm going in and just baking a little bit. There's a hair, I feel it, there's a hair. Going in with my Hello Flawless powder, I have the shade Toasted Beige. I'm just going to put that everywhere. Sometimes I like to go in with a denser brush as well, just to have it stay all night long or all day long for whatever the occasion is. Alright, so now I'm going in with a fluffy brush. I love using a fluffy brush to contour or bronze, I just prefer it. And I'm just going in with my AC onto my Australis. I know I need to update, shut up, don't need to tell me, I know these things. I just like to lightly, it's like dots, how else would you describe that? Patting? Dots. Let's just call it dots. Dotting it through. Dotting my way downtown. And you kind of just want to go up and down, And it's building up nicely. Like that's why I like to use a brush like this first, and then I go in with a denser brush. I'm just using these first two non-existent shades there. There's some product there. So. See, who doesn't love a bronzed up head? So with the leftover, I'm just gonna chisel out my nose. I don't need to do this really because I have quite a small nose, but I just like to do it here because here is quite like, let's do it. Alright, and that's where I go in with a more denser brush. This one's like kind of angled. It's from Real Techniques. And I'm just going to slightly dip into that, like just the tiniest bit, and just press it. Okay, whoa, that just sprinkled everywhere. For highlight, I'm going in with my Becca Highlight. It's just a champagne pop one. I put this on as like a base for my actual highlight, and you'll see what I mean in a sec. Like, this still is nice, but it just needs that extra pop for my liking. Now highlight my head. I'm just going with some my Dusky Rose Water. So I use this Inglot Sparkling Dust. It's like amazing. Like, I don't know why I haven't seen like all the big beauty influencers use this, because it's just like amazing. Like, it's a bit, yeah, it's sparkly, like it's loose powder, but it's just, oh, it's blinding. Like, why would you use it? Just watch. Like, what the hell? Okay, so now we're gonna lightly just go back into this. I don't want to smoke it out too much. I'm going to go underneath my eyes, but I don't want to smoke it out too much because it's like it's just a basic look. I don't want it to be too like dramatic. Playing in the background. Rude! I'm just going to go in with this little flat. It's called a Short Smudger by Designer Makeup Tools 163B08 brush. Okay, I'm just going to actually dig into like that black shade. No, it's not black, it's dark brown, but just slightly. Just to give it a bit of dimension. So I'm going to go in with this kind of champagne colour. And for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with the Sparkling Dust. And I'm going to make them pop. Alright, so because this is more of like a casual look, I'm just going to do mascara, no lashes today. So we need a really good mascara, and that is the Bad Girl Bang. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner pencil. I don't know what brand it is. I got it in my kit from my makeup school. I used to think, how the hell do people do this? And it's actually easy. Like, I thought it was so hard, but it's not. I don't like to go in all the way when I do eyeliner, like on my waterline, because my eyes are kind of like rounded or something. They're weird. I don't know. It kind of goes like that, and I don't want them to look like that. I kind of want them to look more cat-eyed. So I just like put them. I put whenever I use eyeliner, no, pencil eyeliner, I only go halfway, personally for me. Now for lips, I'm just going in with the Velour Lips, Velour, yep, Velour Lips by Australis. I have the shade Saka time. That's what it reminds me of. I know you're probably thinking, why isn't this bitch lining her lips first? It gives me blackheads, so I'd rather not. I'm sorry. Alrighty guys, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of really like different and nerve-wracking, and I was just like, fuck it. Probably not supposed to swear on me, but you know, sorry, my bad. But yeah, I really hope, like I seriously hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see more. I'd probably do more anyway. I'm going to see if I can do at least 2 or 3 a week. I'll see how I go. This was so much fun, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, to my brand new channel. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!